Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show beginners how to make a video. This is gonna be a quick and dirty video to show you how to get started in Vegas Pro. Doesn't matter which version you're using, but I'm using version 18. So let's begin here. So first of all, I'll show you how to import media. This is my intro. Patrons. I'll show you how to use MOV files. They're transparent. This is transparent for lower third. Another one here. I'll show you insert text. But what I have to do here is I have to mute this audio track. This is a copyright song here. If I don't mute that, I'm going to get hit with a copyright claim. So let's mute this. Mute the track. This will mute the entire track. Okay, so let's begin. So let's import my media and we'll start from scratch. So this is the media bin. So let's create a new project. Import media. Now these are my intro. Holding the control key down. And this one here is from Production Crate. This is an awesome. Subscribe, like, and subscribe. I like that one. So let's open these up. Okay, let's import media from the desktop. Holding the control key down, select both of these. Open them. So to get started here, so these are all in your media bin right now, imported in your media bin. Now, there's two different ways. You can drag and drop this onto the timeline, or what you can do is just double click it. So we're going to start with my intro first. Double click it. This is the cursor, timeline cursor. Double click. Here's my intro. Okay, head right there. Let's insert my video here, me talking. Now I'm going to split this track. It's just dead air here. So hitting the S key, we'll split the track. And highlight this and delete it. Just press delete. Delete. So it plays back. It looks like this. Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is okay. And at the end here, we're gonna have to mute this track as well because we're gonna run into problems with this video here. It gets copyrighted. Let's double click and drag it to drop it on the timeline. Let's trim this one off a bit. You can trim this way as well. Grab it and just pull it back. Okay, so the lower track is muted here. So let's drag these over. We'll do a crossfade. My favorite crossfade is just dragging these over top of each other and playing back. Watch. And crossfades into the new video. Now what you can do in here, using the mouse key, roller, the scroll key, is right click on this. Oops, sorry. Right click and select your different fade type, crossfade. So you can go with this type here, all different styles of crossfades. But my favorite one is just the default one. Just overlapping these clips, and it automatically does a nice crossfade. Do this down here. It's a little bit too high. If you have this set to best full, and you have a slower computer, it's gonna lag a bit, your preview window. So let's just go to good auto. Okay. So let's insert MOV files now. So right click, insert video track, and we got. So put your cursor here at the beginning, double click. Now this is a MOV file. Now for Vegas Pro 17 and 18 only, this applies just to those two programs, 17 and 18. MOV files are turned off by default. First of all, you need QuickTime installed, and to make MOV files work, go to Tools, sorry, Options, Preferences, Depreciate Features, and enable the QuickTime plugin. That will enable MOV support on Vegas Pro 18 and 17. This does not apply to earlier versions. Earlier versions, it's on by default. Okay, so to make these work, right click, left click on it, right click, go to Properties, go to Media, and Alpha Channel, select Straight Unmatted. Now it becomes transparent. And there's my lower third. So let's do that for this one from Production Crate here. So we'll put it right here. Left click, Properties, Media, and straight and matted, straight and matted. And now it's transparent. Now let's go to the crossfade here. So using the mouse scrolling key, you can make this bigger, so you have more area to work with here. Now there's different transitions you can use. My opinion, most video editors nowadays have like 1980s and 90s transitions, and they're really not that good. Like these here, these are so old school. These were probably used back in the 70s on TV stations. It's just, there's really nothing special. To get proper transitions, you need to buy plugins, and they're very expensive. I don't recommend doing that. But my favorite ones here, Dissolve, I like Dissolve, and Flash. Flash is really nice. So let's try Flash. Drag this right onto the crossfade here. So grab this. Let's do this and show you how it looks like. This is actually a cool crossfade. Or sorry, transition. I like that transition. Almost forgot. I wanted to show you how to add text onto your video. So here you have my tracks here. So right click, insert video track, right click, insert text media. I'll just call this test. Change the font to impact, so there's I for impact. Select the font. The position is when it's when you're in this mode here in the text mode media generators. Just check this out. So you can move around the text anywhere you want on the screen. You can scale this, make it bigger, smaller, anywhere on the screen. I like them center. I also like them with a black line around them too, so I'll show you how to do that. Here's advanced. You can do, if you have text below it, you can use line spacing and chalking to adjust the text, the width between the letters, and width between the lower, if you have a title in there as well. So we adjust that as well. Let's go to outline. Let's change this to black. Let's put a black outline so it sticks out better. It gives a nice gives you an outline there for the text. And if you want, what you could do instead of having the text show up abruptly, do a crossfade or fade in, fade in and fade out. You play it back like this. It's not so harsh. So basically, this video is mainly for newbies using Vegas Pro. And Vegas Pro 19 is coming out in excuse me, in August. I have a copy reserved for me. So once again, I'll be downloading it and going through the new features in Vegas Pro 19. So stick around for that. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.